See, first is you mentioned sedentary lifestyle. So that sedentary lifestyle has to go. So you should try to be active throughout the day and walk more, take the stairs, and try to do your own personal work as far as possible, and cut down on eating high calorie foods throughout the day and throughout the week. So if these simple measures are done, then it prevents you from becoming obese. But if you're already starting to gain weight, it could be the child, it could be an adult, it could be a middle-aged person, but if you feel that you are gaining 1 kg, 2 kg or maybe 5 kgs in a year, then you should start doing some vigorous exercise. Otherwise, a regular moderate exercise like even walking for half an hour daily and doing all your activities yourself and being physically active throughout the day rather than sitting and working on the system and using the remote and using the various gadgets to help you with your day-to-day activities. Physically doing your own work will prevent you from gaining weight.